Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session based on our last video. If this is your first time here, I highly recommend watching the video where we explained how the US became a superpower after World War II. Now, let's test what you've learned. Did World War II leave the United States destroyed? No, the US was not destroyed. It was stronger than ever. Did the US economy grow because of war production? Yes, war production boosted the American economy. Was the Marshall Plan about rebuilding Asia? No, the Marshall Plan focused on rebuilding Western Europe. Did the US have the first nuclear weapons? Yes, the US was the first country to develop nuclear weapons. Did the US economy collapse after the war? No, the US economy was booming after the war. Was the United States isolated from world affairs after the war? No, the US became more involved globally than ever before. Did the US create international organizations like the United Nations? Yes, the US played a key role in creating several global institutions. Did the US lose its global influence after World War II? No, the US gained even more global influence. Did the US use the Marshall Plan only for charity? No, the plan also strengthened alliances and opened markets. Was the US one of many superpowers after World War II? No, the US became the main superpower, along with the Soviet Union. Watch the video again if you need a review, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a single episode from this incredible video series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.